Travel smarter, unlock packing perfection. Frequent travelers, this one's for you. Tired of chaotic suitcases and wasted space? Meet your new travel BFF, the U+U 4-set compression packing cubes. These ultralight, expandable travel organizers will completely transform the way you pack while keeping your items neat and easily accessible. With U+U's smart compression design, you'll never have to compromise on what to bring. These cubes optimize every inch of your suitcase, giving you room for more without extra bulk. From jackets to socks, everything finds its place, and stays there, hassle-free. Made from rip-resistant polyester fabric, these cubes won't weigh you down while keeping your belongings protected. Plus, the playful polka dot pattern helps your packing game look as sharp as your itinerary. Travel light, travel right. From business trips to family vacations, these organizers are perfect for every adventure. Ready to unpack? Their easy zipper mechanism has got you covered. No more digging through your luggage to find what you need, it's all right where it should be. Don't travel unorganized again. Click the link, grab your U+U 4-set compression packing cubes, and level up your travel game. Packing perfection is just a step away. Get yours today.